Good evening and welcome to Truthorb News. I'm your host, Dyron, with a developing story that's leaving both scientists and civilians deeply disturbed. Shocking footage has emerged from the Mexican state of Chihuahua, where hundreds, possibly thousands, of birds suddenly fell from the sky in broad daylight. The incident, captured by security cameras in the city of Cuauhtémoc, shows a massive flock of yellow-headed blackbirds plummeting to the ground almost simultaneously, many of them dead on impact. Authorities were alerted after local residents discovered lifeless birds scattered across sidewalks, streets, and rooftops. The footage, which has since gone viral, shows no clear signs of predators or weather disturbances at the time of the fall. Scientists initially pointed to possible explanations such as toxic fumes, fireworks, or power lines. However, none of these have been confirmed. Autopsy results have ruled out infectious diseases, and no environmental toxins were found at the site. What makes this case even more mysterious is the suddenness and scale of the collapse. Some researchers believe the birds may have been startled into a fatal dive by an unseen threat. Others aren't ruling out more unconventional causes, such as electromagnetic interference or high-frequency signals. In online communities, the incident has reignited debates about 5G towers, secret weather modification experiments, and even weaponized atmospheric testing, theories often dismissed by mainstream outlets, but gaining traction as more unexplained mass animal deaths are reported worldwide. At this time, no official explanation has been given. Authorities continue to investigate the bizarre event. We'll be following this story closely and updating you as more information becomes available. Stay informed. Stay skeptical. This is Truthorb News, uncovering the truth, one headline at a time.